My solution for my see-through plastic bins that were above my coat rack with all the hats and stuff, that's what this is for me. So, there's things like dog toys, there's things like you got your hats, you got your glasses. They're woven with a really soft, nice cotton rope. So it's not rough or jagged, super soft. One of the features that I like is that it has handles, even though you can't really see them. They're like hidden handles, but they're right here. So for easy carrying, you can grab these handles, or when you're not grabbing them, they're discreet. And I think that's kind of interesting. It's not a square, it's a rectangle. I don't know if that's important for you to know, but one side is longer and one side is shorter, rectangle. They have some other options, but I love this color. I think it's so pretty. The quality is really good. They're really thick, which is nice. These are going to be with us for a while. The only slight inconvenience for me about this product was that it arrives folded. So if you wanted to open them up right away, set them up on your shelf or whatever, not put anything in them and have them look like this, they're going to kind of like, they're going to go in on themselves. But if when you get them, you stuff them with some things, whether it's the things you're going to use in there or not, and then you let them sit for a day or two, they form nicely, and now they're staying this way. My son would definitely, if this was not up above our coat rack, my son would be like using these and sitting on them, and they wouldn't stay as nice. In my season with young children, I keep these ones as like the grown-up baskets. They're not play baskets. Well, happy storing, you guys. Happy organizing. Happy clean home.